Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 you are not connected to any network in Wi-Fi. First method is, press function key and F1 to F12 keys to enable Wi-Fi network. Second method is click Start M Settings, click Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings. Click Reset now. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig /release. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. Type ipconfig /renew. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net sh int ip reset. Type net sh winsock reset. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.